We all know that Hong Kong has already have a climate strategy in its Climate Action Plan 2050. And also back in the mainland, we have the national goals in terms of achieving carbon neutrality. So all these are setting out clear policy direction going forward. And back in the exchange, of course, we are committed to establish a robust regulatory framework for the ESG reporting. The main objective or the key why we are doing is that we want to help our listed companies to better manage the risk, ESG risk or climate risk, whatever. All these kind of risk is just part of your operational risk. Apart from the risk, it's also about how you capture all these the opportunities that brought by these changes in the environment, in the society. And last but not least, of course, it all goes down to how you can sustain or develop a sustainable future for your own business.
Read the standard, the first thing. There's lots and lots of reliefs embedded in the standard that allows someone who's brand new to get a hold of the disclosure requirements. And you need to understand you do not need to do things all, comprehensively in the first instance. Bring out a roadmap as to how you're going to achieve that. And eventually, get some resource. In getting resource, the second thing you need to do is get a good team together. Last but not least, at the outset, get top management buy-in, get shareholders buy-in, board buy-in. Right now, we find a lot of boards just, oh yes, this is good, do it. But without really empowering the management or the working level with the right resource and skill sets and capacity to do it. No additional headcount, no funding. You do need a little bit of money to do this, right? So get the resource, get the people, read the standard. That's what I would say, to initial kickstart.
I think how we assess the readiness of Hong Kong listed company, it comes down to commitment and effort. So if we look at commitment, we look at the governance, sustainability governance of the company, the leadership, and also in terms of the effort is whether there's a system in place in the company, and also the resources they deployed to manage the climate risk. And of course, the capacity building is also very important if they would like to improve the performance in terms of climate disclosure. I think different companies, they may be in different stages in the sustainability disclosure journey. So some guidance, no matter it's from the regulator or from some industry council or from Hong Kong GFA, would be very helpful.
And I think one great thing about ISSB is that it also helps our listcos in other companies. So in other parts of the world, we have a small listco in Thailand and Malaysia as well, and they have similar climate-related reporting requirements. So Hong Kong doing this actually helps help our other parts of the business to do their reporting as well. As a corporation, we do what we can to improve energy efficiency, cut down on carbon. We work with our suppliers to get them to report Scope 1 and Scope 2. And we also need the government, the industry, let's say our electricity grid as well, to all decarbonize. So it's a joint effort. We do what we can, we all do what we can, and then I believe it's going to be better for everybody.